Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I have some exciting news for you today, and that is why I'm smiling ear to ear. So, what is this information I want to share with you guys? Well, if you're not aware of cryptocurrency, that is what we're going to be talking about today. So, what is Bitcoin, you ask? Well, it is a blockchain system of digital currency, and it is not fiat currency, which is, what you exchange your paper money, your coin money. It is decentralized. That means it can be and is widely used and accepted worldwide. This is a global monetary system, and it's projected to replace all physical money, right? Everything's going to be digital soon. And if you're not aware, China has embraced this and has begun implementing solely digital currency in a couple of its major cities. So if China is the first to take this, you know it's going somewhere. They lead us in technology, and digital currency's already been embraced. It's been embraced for the last 10, 15 years now. If you're carrying around some plastic in your pocket, and more importantly, if it's plastic with a chip, then you know digital currency is already here. And in the last 5 years, China has been implementing their own digital currency system. And so with that said, digital currency is a thing of the future, so don't wait and miss the boat. Well, less than 10 years ago, it hit the scene and it made a big splash, right? But a lot of people were very skeptical. It was very volatile, and it took a long time to gain steam and to get where it is today. But if any of you know anything about cryptocurrency at the moment, it is on fire. Okay, so I just had to make this video because if you can see Bitcoin right up here at the top, this very first one is at an all-time high. I saw it at $33.3 today. No, not $33. $33,300 was the all-time high Bitcoin has ever hit. Ever. And I witnessed it today. It was so exciting. And not only did I witness its all-time high, I also witnessed the gains in my portfolio. So, is it too late, you ask? Heck no. It is not too late to get into crypto because it is the future. It's the future of money. Fiat currency is becoming a thing of the past. Dollars in your pocket, change in your pocket isn't going to be a thing anymore. And so it's not too late to jump in on this, because if you wait any longer, it will get much more costly. It's just going to keep going up, because if you've read the graphs over the last 10 years, crypto has done some phenomenal things. I'm just going to show you right here. So I'm going to show you what has happened in just one day with Bitcoin. As you can see, it was way down here and it shot up. It went huge gains in one day, right? And then let's go back and just see what 1 month looks like. Can you believe how much has grown in just 1 month? What was that? $17,000 a month ago. Okay, let's see what it's done in a year. Oh my God. Do you see that? It was 10% of what it is now. What is that? It was as low as $3,800 in just the last year. So now let's go to all. And this really puts it into perspective. If you can see and read a graph, which I think we learned this in like first or second grade, right? So this is where it is today, and this is where it started. If you can see, it dipped down to 6 cents. So honey, I'm not lying when I tell you Bitcoin has exploded. And many people are like, I don't really know what it is. I don't understand it. I don't want to touch it. Okay, well then that just leaves more for everybody else. So if you're one of those people that is an optimist and can actually kind of think forward, a forward thinker, can see the future, can see ahead, that digital is the way we're going to be going. Everything is going to be digital. As you can see, people might as well glue their phones to their hands because they don't let them go. They don't put them down. People are in their phones all day. So why not create a way for yourself to gain money while you sleep, literally while you sleep. So I'm going to leave down below a couple options for you. Now, if you say, I don't have any money to get invested. It's been a very tough year. I understand completely. That is why if you follow my Chime link, that'll be the first link in the description box. This is key. If you follow Chime link and the link in the description, I will get you started off with $75 for free to invest. You're like, what? Yeah, $75 free. As long as you have a direct deposit set up with that Chime. So follow my link, set up direct deposit. Once a minimum of $200 hits your Chime account, that $75 will be there also. Then you take that $75, right? And you go click on my second link in the description, which is Coinbase. And that is this platform that I use to trade my crypto. There are many crypto trading platforms. I just trust Coinbase because it's been around for a while and it's quite reputable. So this is the one I choose. If I find more that I choose and I want to share them with you, just keep an eye out for those videos. I'm not stuck on Coinbase, but it is the one I prefer at the current time being. So in that description box, hit on Coinbase, use some of that $75 that you got free from your Chime account, right? And deposit, I don't know, maybe 10, 20 of that into your Coinbase account. And then they'll match you $10. So now you have like 30 bucks, right? Just throw that into a coin that you want. Throw it in multiple coins. It doesn't really matter. Altcoins kind of follow suit with Bitcoin. Now, I'm not saying all altcoins are created equally. And you're asking, what is an altcoin? It's an alternate coin. So any coin that's not Bitcoin basically is an altcoin. And some do better than others. Some are more reputable. Some are garbage. But what I can say is all of them, almost, let me rephrase that. Almost all of them have the potential to make you money. I'm not going to say go put your investments, all of your savings into Tezos or Augur or Litecoin or any of those. I am saying though, if you have a little bit of extra money to spare, throw 100 here, 100 there, and who knows what it could do in 10 years. As you can see, this went from 6 cents to $33,000 in less than 10 years. So the potential is limitless, right? It really is. You can't go wrong by just putting a little bit of money aside that you otherwise would probably spend, right? So this is just going to ensure that you have a little something a little bit down the road. So Coinbase is not the only one that I use. I also do stock trading as well. So I'll leave those down in the description box below as well. I would start with Robinhood and Webull. Webull, if you deposit a minimum of $100, you get 4 free stocks valued at potentially over $1,000. So don't wait on that. And then the next one will be Robinhood. Robinhood, you get a lottery at a free stock anywhere from $3 to $140 could potentially be your winning stock. So don't hesitate, jump in on this because it's only going to go up. And don't be discouraged if it does dip while you have your money in, just hodl. And if you don't know what that is in investing terms, HODL is hold on for dear life. Don't spend that money. Don't cash it out. That is a last resort. Okay, when you put that money away into stocks or when you put that money away into crypto, don't touch it. Put it away and forget about it. And then your mind will be blown when you look back in 10 years and you're like, my goodness, why didn't I put more in? This is the famous last words. Why didn't I put more in? But okay, so I will show you. Okay, let me just show you this. We've got a couple different things here. So this is Bitcoin, obviously, but let's go to our portfolio. I'm just going to show you, you have the option to pretty much trade anything. So some much cheaper than others, obviously, as you can see. Some are less than $1. Some, anywhere from cents to $33,000 is the spectrum of stocks, is the spectrum of crypto coins that you could pick. So I wouldn't say like hum and haw over it for too long because it literally goes up every minute, every second. So if you see one and you have a gut feeling about it and it looks good and maybe you've even done a little bit of research on it and it sounds like a reputable coin, jump in. Put your money in there and just forget about it. Put it in and forget about it. So follow my links below. I'll help you get started, and leave me a comment if you have any questions, what more videos you would like to see. I will have much more coming up in the future in terms of just like some crash courses, maybe some beginner Q&As as well. So just leave me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell so you get all the next videos to come, and leave me a comment of what kind of videos you'd like to see, maybe what you might have a question about or what you would need help with in terms of stock trading or crypto investing. So thank you so much for tuning in, and Happy New Year, guys. We'll catch you next time.